Jockey is getting back in the saddle. They are rolling. And racing for the solitary splendor plate. Left stand in the gates is up north. And as they settle down to race it, Sudden Impact takes up the running from Mubarak in second place. A length behind comes Sonus Prabandi. A length and a half for the back, there's Electrona. Gap of about 2.5 length behind comes Sasabi. Another 2.5 to 3 length for the back towards the inside race. There is Beanie being overtaken on the outside there by Cinderella Man. Another length and a half for the back, there's High Dolly. Last of all, Regina. Running towards the 1,000-meter marker, Sudden Impact by about 2 lengths in front of Mubarak in second place. A gap of about 2.5 lengths for the back, Onus Prabandi. Very close behind Electrona. For the back there is Sasabi. A gap of about 3 lengths for the back, there is Cinderella Man. After that comes Benny. Right behind there is High Dolly with Regina still in the rear. Running towards the straight, there comes Sudden Impact, continues to lead by about a length in front of Mubarak in second place. A length and a half for the back, Onus Prabandi, followed there on the outside. There is Sasabi as they pass the 600. Another length and a half for the back, there's Electrona. Gap of about 2 lengths for the back, there is Cinderella Man. Then comes Benny. For the back, there is Regina as they begin to negotiate the home turn. Around the turn and into the straight, Sudden Impact towards the inside. There's Mubarak in the center. Sasabi is coming up on the outside, followed by Cinderella Man, Onus Prabandi. With about 200 meters more to run it, Sasabi on the outside has taken up the lead and going away by about 2.5, 3 lengths in front of Mubarak. 100 meters more to run there, and it's Sasabi is ridden by man of the moment, Manish Naradu, lengthening well and going away for an easy victory over High Dolly, followed by Mubarak. Then there is Cinderella Man, Electrona. After that comes Onus Prabandi, Benny, Regina. Last of all, the long-time leader, Sudden Impact.
Your attention, please.